If you're not totally sure what System.io is and what it can do for you in your business, you're going to want to stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to do a complete review and a total deep dive of what System.io is and what it can do for you in your business. So without further ado, we're going to get started. Make sure you leave this video a like, a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, we're going to get started right now. Okay, here we are on the System.io homepage. What you're going to want to do first, if you haven't already created an account, you're going to want to first go to the link in the description, and you're going to want to click on that link to create a free account. As you can see, it is free forever, no credit card required whatsoever to sign up. And then once you click on that link in the description, you're just going to fill in your email address here and get started for absolutely free. While we're here, we're going to take a look at some of the features that System.io has to offer. So while we're taking a look at the features, you can see the very first thing it says is to stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. To sum System.io up, it is a complete CRM where it lets you do, your landing pages, your email marketing, your webinars, your course building, your product selling. You can do any of those things within this platform completely for free. Nothing needed to sign up. You just go and create an account using the link in the description and you have access to all of that. So here you can see it's telling you can stop using a different tool for every part of your business. Forget clunky online marketing tools. Let's be honest, there's some pretty bad ones out there. This is your all-in-one marketing platform, so it's got a lot of great features, and here's all the tools included within this program. Again, completely free. You can build sales funnels, you can do your email marketing, it's a website builder, affiliate program management. So if you want to actually create a program or a product and have affiliates for that product, you can do that within here. Business automation, again, you can create webinars, online courses, blogging, and you can even sell your own products. So when it comes to sales funnels, that's a huge part of anybody's business, especially an online business. That's exactly how you get your traffic and get a lot of sales. With System.io, it quite literally replaces ClickFunnels, Kartra, Kajabi, and Leadpages, which are all top programs within this niche. So it's a great piece of software, claiming it can replace all of those. As far as email marketing goes, it says it replaces MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit. If you're looking to build a website, you no longer need WordPress, Kartra, or Kajabi. This will do that for you. If you're looking to manage your affiliates, this will replace ClickFunnels. And if you're looking to create an online course, this replaces Thinkific and Teachable. And then obviously you get to automate your marketing through email campaigns. You can choose when to send an email, how often you want to send an email, just to follow up with your prospects and your leads. Now we're at the top of the page. What we're going to do is we're going to hit get my free account. You're going to go ahead and enter your email address, again using the link in the description. Once you've done that, you're going to get presented a page like this. This is your dashboard. So just clicking in the dashboard here, you can see you have your main dashboard, your affiliate dashboard. So if you were to refer people to System, your student dashboard, and your marketplace, you can also get products within System to promote as an affiliate. Under contacts, this is your contact and your lead management. Any leads that you get through System through a sales funnel or a website is recorded in there. You can even create tags and you can mark which leads have been brought through which tags. So that's another great, powerful resource of System. We're going to go ahead and click on the funnels tab and see what's in there. As you can see, you have a list of funnels that I have built over here. And if you want to create a new funnel, you're just going to go ahead and click this create button in the top right. But before we get carried away, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the link in the description, and there's going to be a link there that'll give you 5 free email funnels for free, completely free. I don't charge you a dime. Go ahead, click on that link, and you'll get access to those free funnels within System.io once you create your account. So we've hit create account, then we're going to fill this information in here. You're going to want to name the funnel, so let's just name it YT Test. You're going to want to choose your funnel domain, and then you can choose what the purpose of this funnel is, whether it's to build an audience, to sell a product. You can build a funnel from complete scratch, or you can run an evergreen webinar. We're just going to, for this example, build an audience. Now you've created your funnel. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the funnel. It's going to bring you to this page here, and this is where all of your templates are. You can choose any template that you like. I always recommend it to choose a template that's easier as opposed to one that's fancier, something a little bit more plain just to get the point across. I think it's a lot better converting than something that has all the bells and whistles. For this example, we're just going to go ahead and select this template right here. You can preview it by clicking preview template, or you can just select it. So we're just going to go ahead and select it. Then you're going to name your squeeze page. We're going to name this the same thing, YouTube test. You can obviously, once you've added in your own domain, you can choose what you want the link to say, but we're going to go ahead and click on that. It's saved. And then you're going to go ahead and click edit page. So we've now hit edit page. As you can see, this is just a drag and drop funnel builder. It's pretty simple to use. If you want to delete something or add something, you can delete this whole SKU here by clicking this garbage can. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. And then if you want to add something back, you want to make sure you have this row, and then you're going to go ahead and find whatever you want to add. Let's just say you want to add a form input here. It's not a great place to put it, but just for example. And then you can, again, click on the settings of this, and then you can just click whatever the information is that you're looking for, and you can adjust it from there. So it's quite an easy program to use once you're trying to build a funnel. Again, just drag and drop, very simple, a lot like ClickFunnels is. So a very simple and a very high quality funnel can be built using this program. And now that you've created your funnel, you're going to want to create some emails to go along with the funnel. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this email tab, and you're going to go down to email campaigns. Here's the 3 campaigns I have going right now. If you want to create a new one, you're going to want to go ahead and hit create. You're going to want to name your campaign. We're just going to call it campaign. Hit save. And there you go. Now to edit it, same thing. You're just going to want to click on the new campaign that you made, and you can create emails by hitting the create button in this top right corner. Let's just name this subject YouTube test again. Sender name is going to be whatever your name is or whatever your persona name is. We're just going to use my name. We're going to use my personal business email. And we're going to use classic editor, going to hit save. From here, you can just type out your email, whatever your email may be. You're going to make sure that it's exactly how you want it formatted. You can add attachments, you can add a picture, you can do all these personalizations over here as well. There's this drop-down menu to add those in. You can get really fancy with this stuff, and you're just going to want to go ahead and save this, or hit save and test. You can quite literally test it by sending it to a different email that you have. Once you've finalized it and you like the finished product, you're going to hit save and publish. Then it will be live. Anytime somebody opts into your funnel, they will get your first follow-up email in that entire sequence the way you have it set up. Next, what we're going to do is go over to the blog tab. So you're just going to click on blogs. You're going to hit create in the top right here. We're going to name our blog. We're just going to name it YouTube test. You can just choose a template here. There's a couple different options. We're just going to go ahead and pick one at random. We'll choose this one. We're going to hit select. Going to hit save. And there you are. We have our first blog built. To edit it, same thing. You're going to click on the blog. And then you have all of these pages here that you can go ahead and edit through at your own time. Take a look, create the blog how you would like, and then you just publish it at the end. Now we're on the automations tab, and what automations is you can set things up so that when people do add their email into your input box and you're trying to collect that lead, you can add a workflow or an automation that'll automatically send an email to that person after a certain amount of minutes, a certain amount of days. Basically, that email sequence that you created in the emails tab, you would add that as an automation once they've opted into that email. Okay, so now we've clicked on our email, and we're going to show you how you actually set up the automation. So we're on the email. We're going to go ahead. We're going to click save and publish. It's our first email in the sequence, so it's pretty much going to send it as soon as they opt in if you provide that information. So delay before sending an email. This is actually when you choose how soon a lead gets an email once they've opted into your form. So we're just going to say they're going to get an email 2 minutes after they opt in. We're going to go ahead and click activate. And now that that's activated, we're going to go back to our funnels. We're going to click on our test funnel. And then we're going to click on automation rules right here. Once you have that open, you're going to click on add rule. We're going to click funnel step from subscribed. Again, they subscribe to your email opt-in, and now they're going to subscribe to a newsletter or a campaign. Then you're going to click on this. You're going to add an action, subscribe to a campaign. So once they subscribe to a campaign, they will be in that email sequence. Then we're going to choose our campaign, and our campaign was named campaign. We're going to add that in, save rule. And now anytime somebody opts into the email or the funnel that you built, then they're going to follow up in that email sequence and be added to that email sequence and receive your emails for whatever products you're promoting. Now we're on the marketplace for System, and what you can see is there's a whole wide variety of things you can promote within System that other content creators have made that they want affiliates for, and so you can become an affiliate simply just by clicking on any product that you want. You're going to go ahead and just click promote offer, and then this is your affiliate link up here. So you just copy and paste it, and as you promote it and start getting sales, you would make commissions on this. So let's say it's a 50% commission on a product that's $40. You would receive a $20 commission on this particular product. And again, just looking at the marketplace, you have so many offers to choose from. It's going to be hard not to find one. Now on the affiliate dashboard, you can come down here and you can see that you earn 60% lifetime commissions to anyone you refer to System.io. Again, I do promote this product. If you are happy with what you've seen and you are looking to get started and use those free funnels that I built you, go ahead, click the link in the description. Okay, well that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got a thorough breakdown of what exactly System is. If there's anything else that you're looking to find out about System, definitely leave a comment down below. I reply to all my comments. And let me know what videos you want to see next about System or affiliate marketing in general or digital marketing. I would love to create more videos for you. So go ahead, leave me some feedback down below. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out so much. You have no idea. And then don't forget to get your free funnels from the link in the description and create your free System account. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you soon.